Hello everyone. This is Dr. Chung. This is 2022 AMC 8. So today we're gonna do all 25 questions. Okay. So doing the work, I want you try to check. Okay, which approach is the best way, the easiest way, something like that. Okay. All right. And number one, I think the easiest one you can make is 5 square, right? Each square edge, maybe you can move this one up here, this one up here, that is what, 2 square unit, right? That is a 2. Or you can use 1 times 1 and divide by 2 is what, 0.5, you have a 4 here, right? Yeah, times 4 is still 2, right? So each one area is 2, okay? You have a 5 of this one. 5 times 2 is 10, okay? All right, number 2, we have a diamond symbol operation. Okay, 5 times 5 diamond 3, well, 5 square and 3 square, right? That is just 16. This is 16, this is 6. Subtract and make square, right? That is 100, isn't it? Choice D is the answer, okay? So product of A, B, C equals 10. So A times B times C must be equals to 100. But C is greatest one, okay? A is the smallest numbers. So in how many ways can the numbers be chosen? Anyway, the product of these three numbers, 100 means what? A, B, C, they are all factor of 100. So what is the factor of 100? It can be 100, 50, the next one is 25. What is the next one? 20, right? And 10 and 5, 1. They are all factors of 100. So now check out. Always you will try, okay, the biggest one, okay? If this is 100, A times B equals to 1. So A is 1, B is 1, no other way, okay? But that's not working, okay? Because they are equals. If we have like 50 over here, A times B is now 2, isn't it? Only what? A is 1, B is 2, right? If this is 25, 4, right? 4 times 25 is 100. How to get the 4? 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. But 2 times 2 is not working, right? But they are equals. So the next one is if you have a 20 over here, product of these numbers is now 5. 1 times 5 only, right? If this is 10, the other one is 10. We cannot use 1 times 10, right? Because 10, 10 they are equals. So only what? 2 times 5, isn't it? 2 times 5 already 10. This is 10, right? Okay. Maybe you can try the 5 again. Okay, if this is a 5, sum of this product of this number 20. 20 is what? 120, right? 4, 5. That's all. Nothing. This was 5, right? So we cannot more, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways, okay? All right, number 4 over here, you have two lines, line reflection, right? Line reflection. What is the resulting image? This one looks like right, a 45 degree, right? So if this is a horizontal, this is a vertical line. Always they are symmetry, right? So image over here. That's right. But the next one, reflection over x-axis, this line, same thing, right? Okay. So same distance, right? Here we go. All right, number 5. Anna and Bella celebrating their birthdays together. 5 years ago, this is now, this is 5 years ago. Okay, make me better take, right? Yeah, table, okay. Anna and Bella, right? So Bella is just 6 years old in 5 years ago. She listed the newborn kitten of another one of you. Kitten is 0 years. Okay. So birthday. So today's sum of age is two children and the kitchen. If this is two children, if this is x, this is what it is, x plus 5, isn't it? Okay. Or this one is 6 plus 5 is now 11 years old. So now kid needs what, 5 years. Okay. The total is 30. Well, you cannot decide by we over here, right? How many years old than Bella is Anna, right? Right now, maybe you can use this number blank over here. So this is 30, this is 16, this is 14, isn't it? Actually, we don't need the x over there, right? Okay. So difference of these numbers is 3 then, okay? 6 positive integers equally spaced on a number line. Oh, no. 3 number, okay? So A, B, C over here. The middle number is 15. This is 15. The largest number is 4 times smallest number. This is 4 times, okay, we can use 4A. Right, that difference must be equal, right? All right. What is smallest number over here? The value of this one. Okay, so 15 minus A equals 4A minus 15. Solve this one, right? This is 5A equals 30. That's right. A equals 60, okay? Here is number 7. This is the real world problems, okay? Okay, download speed 15 kilobit per second. That's the speed, right? 56 kilobit per second. So we have a 4.2 megabyte song over here. 4.2 megabyte. But each byte equals how much? 8,000. So replace with, okay? 1 megabyte is what? 8,000 kilobit. That's it. That we're gonna find by the minute, okay? This is what 1 second. Per minute is how much? Okay, I'm gonna write that. This is better. This is 1 second to find, okay, per minute. How can you find? 1 second is how many minutes? 60 minutes, right? Over 56, right? Or you can use right converting ratio. That is better. 1 second, okay, 60 seconds. That is 1 minute. That we set converting ratio, right? So second is out. So every minute the speed is about 56 times 60 kilobit. Okay, so over here to find the time, 56 times 60 kilobit, is it? That is give us time, right? That's 1 minute. How can you find this one? This is 4 because 4.2 very close to 4, right? So 46 divided by 4 is what? 14. 14 times 60 is what? 8,400, right? Still over here 1,000. So over here 800 over 80. This looks like 8, okay? So that's 10. Just approximate number, okay? The number 8, we have a telescoping product number, okay? So what is the result of here? Check out the first. Which numbers will be cancelled out? 3 is cancelled out. 4 over here. 4 will be cancelled out. The 5 over here cancelled out. Still, we have a first 2 in numerator. Okay, always what? The last 2 in denominator will be left. So 1 times 2 over 21 times 22, right? That's it. So this is 1, this is 11, 231, okay, 1. Choice B is that. So remember, okay, if the last, this number left, last number is left, okay? If 3 numbers is left, last 3 numbers in denominator will be left, okay? All right, cup of boiling water 212. That is placed over here, 212. The bottom is what, 68. This is 212. Maybe you can use, right, make a graph respect to time. Okay. So every 5 minutes, the temperature between what? Water temperature and the room temperature, right? This is between water temperature and room temperature. Half the what? Every 5 minutes, right? Half of this. This difference half of here. Every 5 minutes. The graph looks like this, okay? Every 5 minutes. That's gonna be half. What are these numbers? Actually, midpoint of these two, right? 212 plus 68. 200 plus 68 is what? 280. What is the midpoint? 140, isn't it? Another 5 minutes is going to be half again here. 140 and plus 68, 208. When you divide it by 2, there is 104, right? This is 104. Another over here, right? 5 minutes. That is 104. Another 5 minutes over here. That is 10 and 15, right? Another half over here, right? So 104 and plus 68 is 172. When you divide it by 2, it's by 86. Okay? Already happened, right? So 86 is the answer, okay? Or number 10. On Sunday, the guy says the hike is start the hike 8 p.m. At 10 a.m. from here to here, 45 miles per hour. Okay. Go back after 3 hours. Go back with 60 miles per hour. Here's the question. Okay, which of the following? Oh, the graphs will be given, right? So we have to check. Okay. The first one is 45, second one is 60, right? And 3 hours in hiking, right? So this is all 3 hours, that's fine. Check out the slope. Slope is what's the speed, okay? 90 over 2 is 45. This is also 45, right? This should be 60. This is okay too. This is around right, half of this 45. But when you divide it by 2, that is 22.5, right? That's not working. So around over here. This is 45 divided by 2, that is not 45, okay? Half of that. This is 120 divided by 20 is 60, right? That is not 45. Yeah, easy the answer, okay? We check it out all A and D. Okay, we can make sure, right? This is 190 divided by 2 is 45, right? This is what? 90 divided by 1.5, okay? 90 over 1.5 is what? 60 miles per hour, okay? Slope is speed. Here is the number 11. Henry donkey has a very long piece of pasta. He takes a number of bites of pasta. Each bite 3 inches pasta, right? Okay, always about the middle of the one piece. If we have one piece over here, the middle is 3 is out. Okay, this is 3 inches. So 10 pieces left. After that, total number of lengths just 17, right? If you have one bite, you have 2 pieces. If you have 2 bite, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, right? If this is 10 pieces, how many bites there? After 9 bites, there will be 10 pieces. Okay, each bite is 3 inches out. So 9 times 3, the left one. Find the leftover. The left, 10 pieces left. Altogether length is 17, right? So 27 times 17, that is equals to a total length of right pasta, right? So 27 plus 17 is what? 44 is the answer, okay? Okay, errors of the spinners. Okay, there is a constraint over here. The number n made over here 10 times, okay, you get 10 times spinner A. 50, 60, 70, 80. And the plus B over here, right? 2 numbers. This one should be perfect square numbers. So you can try 51, 52, which are okay? 53, 54, no, right? So 61, 62, 63, 64. We have a one number over here. 81, right? When this is 81 is one number. It's okay. 82, 83, 84. So 71, 72, 73, 74. That's no purpose. We have two numbers. Okay. How many all possible final numbers? This is four numbers. Another four numbers. There will be 16, right? Out of 16, only two numbers. The result number is a perfect square number. Okay. So 1 over 8 is the answer. Okay. The number 13, how many positive integers can fill the blank in the sentence below? One positive integer is, we don't know, right? Some number more than twice the other, right? So sum of two numbers is 18. Maybe you can use. Sum of the other number is 18, 28. Okay. So first number 28, sum is right. So 27 one, right? So 27 minus twice of this number, 25. Yeah, maybe the process, this number will be 25. The next one is about 26. It's this two, right? This is working too, right? 25, 3. 24, 4. 23, 5. That's right. Until where? Until twice of this number is greater than first number. Or you can try this one, 22, 6. Okay. So 21, 7, and 28. So 19 is, what is that? 9, isn't it? And 18 is what? 10. No more, right? Quickly you can find. Okay. All right. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. Okay. We have they have right the remainder of it. Okay. The difference number. Also 9 numbers available. Okay. Over here. This is 28. This is for 22. This is 6, 9. 25 minus 6 is 19. You can count over here, right? Same number over here. Okay. 9 is the answer. In how many ways can the letter bookkeeper rearrange two or more is do not appear together? Except the P, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Or you can use this one to use either way, okay? If it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where is the other number? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 3 must be placed over here. Okay? So that is a permutation, right? So B, K, E, R, all four numbers can place over here. Second number 1 is out, that is the third, right? So 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1, that is equal to 24, right? That's the answer. Or you can put this number is over here, opposite way. So where is E? E can be here, 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 isn't it? This is E, right? But E is what? Same numbers. So this number is what changed, okay? So K is the first, P is the first, something like that. That's still what? 4 times 2, 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24. The number 15s, we have different black paper options varying in weight price. This is the price. If we have this one, this is 1 ounce is what? The price is a little greater than $1. Okay, this is 2 ounce. Maybe if it is $1 to 1 ounce, $2 to 1 ounce is what? $1 to 1 ounce, the same number, right? Maybe you can make the line. They are what equal. But this is cheaper, right? Because what 3 pound, this is what more than a little less than, right? Maybe around you can use what $2.5 over 3. Okay, this is how much? $4.5 over 5. This is around the 0.8. This is about 0.9, right? This is $0.0 for 1 ounce. This is a 1 ounce over here. This is cheaper, right? So 3 ounce paper. Okay, black paper is right, cheapest one. Okay, or the slope is the price actually, because what? Price on ounce. Price on ounce. That's the slope, isn't it? Where's the slope? Which one has what lowest slope? Slope is now the price per ounce. Which one? To make it, this one is what? Here, right? So this is what? Slope is smallest slope, okay? This one is smallest slope. So this one, okay? So 3 ounce paper, it chips one, okay? Here is number 16. Four numbers are written in the way the average of first two is, if this is, we have four numbers, A, B, C, D. But first two is what? A plus B equals times 2, right? Average divided by 2 is 21. A plus B is what? 42. The next is the middle two, right? B plus C equals how much? Twice of this one, right? Yeah, 52. And the C plus last C plus D is what? 30 divided by 2 is 30 times 2 is what? 60. And the first or last one, A plus D, how much? But that's when you find A plus D divided by 2, right? Average. Okay. So when you add this one, you'll get this one. A plus A is D is only once, right? I'm gonna write this one. But B is 2, C is 2, right? So 2 times a B plus C. Okay, that is equal to how much? This is a 94, 61, 54, isn't it? But we know that B plus C is 52, right? This is a 52. Times 2 is what? 104, right? So A plus D minus 104 from here, that is a 50, isn't it? But we need their average, okay? So it is what? 25 is the answer, okay? Number 17. This is the double factorial definition. That's true, right? Double factorial always about the first number is the even number, okay? All right. So this is all factorial. You know that the product, what the number to the up to the what? The last one is what? 2, right? Because 2 is the last digit. So what is the unit digit over here? What is the unit digit? This is 2. 2 is what? Unit digit still 2, right? 4 digits how much? Here. 2 times 8 is 8. Unit digit is 8. 6 is times 6 up here, right? Okay, 8 times, just find out the last digit, right? So 6 times 8 equals how much? 48. Unit digit is 8. 8 factorial, what is that? 8 times 6 factorial is 64, right? The last digit is 4. The next is 10 factorial. 10 factorial is already 10. The last digit is always 0, right? So from here all the way, the last digit is 0. So when you add all these numbers, the unit digit total is 22, right? So this number is the last, find the last digit. B is the answer, okay? All right, here is the number 18. So midpoint of a fourth side of a rectangle, right? So if you have this rectangle, this is midpoint, 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 midpoint. So actually this area, when you take it over here, these two areas, they are equal, right? Always this area is half of this original rectangle, okay? So we're gonna find out inside the area. After that, you make a double, right? That's the area of original rectangle. So how can you find this coordinate is given? Okay, or you can use your shoelace, it doesn't matter, but I'm gonna use, okay, coordinate. Negative 3 over here, 2 over here, 5, 4 over here, and the 0 and 4, right? Same height, 0 and 4. This is 0 and 4. That is actually a parallelogram, right? Okay. So what is the area of this one? This is a 5, this is a 4, height. 5 times 4 is 20. That's the area of this parallelogram. Okay. So the area of a rectangle is twice of this one. 40 is the answer, okay? Number 19. So we have a test with 20 students. The dot plot below show the distribution of test score, right? Okay. So there must be some error there. Okay. 5 students have some error. They gave right 5 extra points. Oh, that's not 5 students, right? Yeah, 5 extra point. How many students we don't know. But the median should be 85. Median is over here. Right? Currently, right, yeah, the median is over here, right, in the middle, right? Yeah. But median move onto here, 85. So some students, they're gonna move right to the right, okay? So where is the median? So first number is 1, the last number 20 student, and divided by 2 is what? 10.5. You know, that means what? Between 10 and 11, their median, right? Where is 10 student? Okay, move 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But 10 should be over here, right? It can't be stay there. From here, 10 students here, they all together move the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 10s, 11s over here. The middle is what? Still 85, isn't it? Okay. If we have 3 over here, only 3 point move to the right. 1, 2, 3. 10s belongs over here. 11s belongs to what? 85. The median is what? Average of these two, 10.5, right? I'm sorry. 80 plus 85 plus divided by 2 is what? 82.5 is the median, right? So one more point move to the right. So that is the 10s, 11s, both belong to in this 85, okay? All right, number 20, we have a 3 by 3 grid filled with some integers over here. Okay, we already got the many integers, and the right bottom corner over here, x, okay? But this value of x large than the other 3 missing numbers. This number must be greater than this number, and this number, right? So how to find smallest possible number? It's smallest possible, okay? So how to solve it this way? We already have options there, 5 options. Maybe we can use this one. I think that is a good idea too. If this is -1, total is 12, right? So 12 plus 1 is 13, it's gonna be 5. This is already less than, okay? That's not working. Second one is 5 over here. If this is 5, okay, total is 12. This is -1, that is okay. The next one is what? -2 and 5, that is 3, right? The next one is what? 3 plus 1 number is 12, 9. But this 9 is greater than 5, right? 5 is less than, that is not working, okay? The next is just 6. If this is 6, try the next one. 6 minus 2 is 4, right? 4 plus 1 number is 12. 8. Still, this number is greater than 6. That's not working, right? So this side is a problem, right? So if this is 8, okay, 8 plus 1 number. This is to make 12 over here. 4, to get a 4, this is a 6. That's fine. This is 8, this is 0, is okay. And this is 9, this is what? 3, right? Yeah, this 8 is greater than 6, 3, 0. That's the smallest portion number, right? Or you can use algebra, but it takes time, right? Okay, maybe you can try this. Total is 12, x plus this number plus 8 is 12, right? X equals how much? Okay, this number equals how much? 4 minus x, isn't it? This number is 4 minus x. What about this number? X plus this one, there, x plus this one minus 2 equals 12, right? What is this number? 14 minus x, isn't it? What about this number? You can use it either way, okay? I'm going to use this way. 9 plus 4 minus x and plus 13 is 12, right? So what is this number? This number is what? This is 13 minus over here. X minus 1, right? So this one is x minus 1. So this number is greater than this one, this one, this one, okay? So x should be greater than 14 minus x. That is equals to what? 2x is greater than 14, x is greater than 7, right? Second one. Also, this is greater than this one. X must be greater than X minus 1. Right? That's true. This is already true. The next one is what? X is greater than 4 minus X. Okay? So 2X must be greater than 2. So X is greater than 1, right? Where is the common over here? X should be greater than 7, isn't it? So that's the first number, 8. Okay, or 9 is okay too, right? All right. Just greater than this number. I think, right, back solving is better. Okay. The number 21, okay, step scored 15 baskets out of 20 attempts in the first one, right? Yeah, over here. 15 successful out of 20. 10 in second half, 10 successful out of 10. Perfect, right? 100%. So the next guy is Candace. We don't know, but there is, they tried what, 12 and 18. How many successful? We don't know, right? Anyway, here. Steph scored a higher percentage of basketball than Candace. Okay? This must be higher than this one. This is also higher than this one, okay? All right, but surprisingly, they ended with the same overall percentage basket. Same percent basket. What is the percent? Total try is what, 20 plus 10 is how much? That is not percent, right? That is 30 goals, they made 25. This one should be 30 and 25, isn't it? It's equal, right? But we have a total is 8, 12 and 18, 30. But this we don't know, right? A and B. But we can try. First, this is 100%. Percentage, right? Less than this one. This is 100%. This is cannot be 100. Right? B cannot be 18. Maybe you can try this is 18, isn't it? Okay, quickly you can check it out. 25 minus 18 is what? 8. Right? 8 over 15 is how much? This one is about 75%. We already know that, right? 8 over 12 is how much percent? 4/3, right? 66.7%, isn't it? But that's fine, right? This is greater than these numbers, okay? So, how many more? This one. 17 minus 8 equals 9 is the answer, okay? At first time, we just find over here, right? If this is maybe 16, okay? This is okay, anyway, less than 100. But if this is 16, this number how much? 25 minus 6, 9 over 12 is what? 30 over 4 at this time, also 75. They are equal, right? So it can be 9, okay? Less than 9 must be 9, 8, okay? Number 22. A bus takes 2 minutes to drive from one stop to the next and wait 1 minute. Okay, bus stop is what? It takes 2 minutes bus stop here, 1 minute to stay. Okay. The bus is the previous Gia reaches the bus stop. But he work. Okay, another guy. Gia takes 5 minutes to work bus stop. Gia is what start over here. After 5, that she is in here, right? 5 minutes. Or 10 minutes second stop. 15 here. Or 20 over here, right? Something like that. But there's a rule there. Okay, if the bus is previous stop or just already left, okay, then she will wait for the bus. She's not gonna move, right? If Gia is over here, if bus is over here, but she saw the bus, right, before one stop before, right? So she has to wait. That's it. That's the rule, okay? So we have to find out. First one. Over here, there are more than one stop, right? Anyway, Gia will go to the next stop. 5 of it. Gia is over here now. So 5 minutes, where is a stop? This is stop 0. Take 2 minutes. Arrive here 2 minutes, and another 1 minute. Total 30 minutes, right? You're gonna stay over here. Bus is over here, right? 2 to 3. I'm gonna use it, 2 to 3, right? 2 to 3 minutes. So if first or second stop is where is it? 2 and again. So 3 plus 2, right? They start is 3, right? 3 plus 2 is 5 and stay 1 minute. 5 to 6. Stay over here. But in 5 minutes, it's still what? 2 stops away. So the next one is what is it? 5 is not working, okay? If GI is over here, check it out. When GI is 10 minutes, this is 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1 more minute at to 9. Bus is up here, right? But still, bus is not here, right? Not here. No good. So the next one is what is that? If this is 11 to 12, right? Plus 2 again. So where is here? 11 to 12. This is 15. Anyway, he had to go over here, right? So I'm going to find this one. So what happens in 15 minutes? The bus, where is it? If this is plus 2 over here, that is 13, right? 14. And 2, 1 minute late, 15. At 15 is what happens. At 15 is what happens. The geocache bus, right? They just study. They just move, right? Okay. So he has to wait. So the question over here, and how many minutes will Gia board the bus? Wait over here, right? You gotta wait. Bus is about 15 starting, 2 minutes about 17 will arrive at this point. So 17 is the answer, okay? Number 23, we have a 3 by 3 grid. So we're gonna place triangle and circle in this 9, but there's a rule there. 3 circles in a line over here, looks like this, and not all, okay, and another 3 circles in a line again, but it's not 3 circles. We're gonna make 3 circles. That's the correct one, okay. It should be one over this one, another one over this one, okay? So also what, maybe you can go to the right. This way, triangle and our circles. The next one is way can be anything. Okay? This is what it is. So anyway, I'm going to take this is the vertical, this is the horizontal types. So I have to find right the number of arrangement in first one times 2, right? It's going to have the same number. I'm going to take a vertical types. Vertical types look like this. This is triangle, this is triangle, this is triangle, and the one is what circle. Okay. But this time I'm going to use what 3 triangle, okay? Or the next one is what it can be triangle. Okay. But we cannot take all the what triangle. Okay, that's wrong because we need what one line is triangle, the other line, another one line is also circle. Right? It looks like this way. You have to keep this way. At this time, we have 2 lines are triangle, right? Okay, maybe we can find 2 lines are circle. This is circle, and I'm going to do circles and triangle. Okay, these are 2 lines of triangle. These are 2 lines of circles. We have 2 different over here. Okay. By each case, how many different arrangements? So 0 placed over here, or here, or here, right? There are 3 different arrangements. This also, right? This can be this low over here, triangle, another triangle, or this way, like this one, okay? 3 different configuration. Are you okay with this? Okay, 3. The next one arrangement is if we have this one. There might be another possible cases. Okay, two lines triangle. Okay, I'm going to this two line triangle, and the last line can be 0 or I'm sorry, circle triangle, circle triangle, and circle triangle. At these times, how many different arrangement? Here you go 2 times 2 times 2, right? 2 times 2 times 2 in this case, right? Is 8 different arrangement. But when you tackle over here, this is 0, 0, 0. Okay, same thing, right? It can be 0, 0, 0. This will be 0, 0, 0. Okay, same thing, okay? Maybe this is what triangles. This is 0, 0, 0. Same thing, okay? This is over counted. So we take up 1 over here, right? But when you take over here, all triangle, but this one is a contradiction. We need to write a line with triangle, another line with circles. They are all triangles not working. So minus 1 again. So we take up 2 there, right? So 8 minus 2 is 6. Another one is over here. This one, mixed one, can be placed over here or over here, over here, right? There are 3 different arrangement again. So 6 times 3, actually total is 18, okay? But in this case, 3 or the third line has different mixed up, that is 18 plus 18 is what? Each case is 21, right? This case is 21. This is the same situation, another 21, the total is 42, isn't it? This is the vertical type is 42. Horizontal types also 42, right? So times 2 equals 84 is the answer, okay? The number 24, we have the figure over here, right? Okay. The polygon forms a triangle prism, suppose A, H, E, F, and 8. Okay? AH over here. This is 8, EF is 8, and the GH whole thing equals 14, right? So what is the volume of this prism? This is a triangular prism, we know that, right? Triangle. This is about 2 base over here, triangular prism. So we can construct over here. Okay, I'm gonna make this. This is G, this is B, this is C, and this is F, right? Okay, hold this one together. This side is longer, this is short, right? So looks like this. Right angle, right? This is I, okay? Okay, the other side, this one. Hold over here, right? This is longer, this is short, this is right angle. This is J, isn't it? Where is this side? When you make over here, okay, HF, FH, where is F? This is I, right? Not I. Okay. There is FE, right? So this is a polder over here, right? That's it, isn't it? This side, right? IF and IF. When you pull over here, this is IF, okay? So this is what looks like D, right? This is point is D. When you F over here, this one is E, right? They're together. Put it together, okay? Now the other side over here. BH and pulled over here. This is what pulled over here. That is equals to A, right? The other side is equals to H, isn't it? That's it. Yeah, that is a right triangle prism, okay? Now check out their side. This is A, H is 8. Okay, this is A, H, this is 8. And the E, F is 8. E, F, this is also is 8. GH is 14. Where is GH? GH over here, right? GJH, isn't it? So GJH from here to here, that is 14, but this side is how much? 14 minus 8 is 6. This is 6, okay? This is the base. This is the height. So what is the volume of this one? Base is what? 6 times 8 and divided by 2, right? Triangle is 24, isn't it? But the height is 8. Times 8 is 192, is this, okay? You can construct this way. That is not hard, okay? 192 is the answer. Okay, number 25. A cricket randomly hops between 4 leaves. On each turn, hopping to one of the other 3 leaves with equal probability. Okay, that means what? From you start from here, can go this way or this way or this way. Same probability. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Okay, if we have the correct is over here, also I can go here, 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 1/3 again, right? That's the probability. Okay. So after 4 hops, what is the probability that the cricket has returned to leave where it started? This cricket, you can start from A. Take this is B, this is C, this is D. So from A, you can start, right? B or C or D. We have 3 choices. Okay, when you start from A. To go B or to go C, to go D, right? From here, they are all same situation, isn't it? Same situation. They all have what? Same probability. Okay? That's the first step is B. Okay? First we can check it out. We don't have to check out of everything, okay? Only check out this one, okay? All right. B first. When you be over here, we start over here, right? Okay. When you be over here, where is another probability? B can go here, A again, right? And the next is D. The next one is C, right? That's 2 hops. If A is over here, okay? If A is over here, now that's not first step, right? That is the third hop. A also can go B or C or D, isn't it? From here, what? You can go B, C, D again. That's 3 hops, right? After 3 hops, okay? What about D? D is over here, A, B, C, 2, right? D is also what? A, B, C, 2. And C is already there. C is over here, B, A, C, right? So A, B, D again. A, B, D again. Right? 1 hops, 2 hops, 3 hops, last hops. Where is last hops? A, B, A, B. Last hops go back to A, right? Yeah, that is A. This goes when you step over here, this goes back to A again. Okay, these over here go back to A again, right? Original place. If this is why A, no, it's already A over here, right? It can go with A again, right? But this is wrong. A is wrong. B to the A is okay. Right? So A, B, right? D, B, A, right? What about C? Yeah, that's fine. Go to A, right? The next one is if it's A, A cannot go to A again, right? That's wrong. This is out. This is out. If B is over here, now the last step go back to A. Only one choice. This is also A, right? But in this case, how many possible arrangements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 arrangement. This also was 7, right? This also 7. Total is how much? There are possible arrangement, 21 possible arrangement. Okay? By each arrangement, how much? This is 1/3. Going to B to the 1/3. So 1/3 times B to the A is also 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3 per hop slot. Every hop slot to choose one leaf is 1/3. Okay? So A, for example, A, B, A, right? From here to here, 1/3, here to 1/3, here to 1/3, here to 1/3. Total is how much? 1/81, isn't it? But this is 21, they are all same situation. They are all same number, okay? So 1/81 times 21 equals 21/81, okay? That's the answer. So it's simplify, right? Divide by 3 is 7, divided by 3 is 27, okay? So 27, 7/27 is the answer, okay? All right, that's all. Okay, we finished all 25 questions. Okay, next time we're going to try 2021 AMC 8, okay? All right, I'll see you next time. Thank you.